If you are looking for a budget smartphone with the compact dimensions and powerful battery, look no further. You are in the right place. With up to 15 GB of RAM, a huge 10,600 mAh battery, even with the secondary display on the back, and all of that in compact dimensions with the 5.45-inch screen, be sure to watch this FOSSiBOT F101 Pro video review. FOSSiBOT is a relatively new company that's growing unstoppably and developing interesting new smartphones and tablets, and that is the case this time as well. Now let's see what is in this orange box. Right at the top there is our phone. We will put it aside. What else we have here in the box? F101 Pro uses the manual for detailed information about your phone's features and functions. Here is a SIM pin. Then we have USB Type-C cable for charging and the data transfer. And finally 80 watts fast charger that is provided to quick charge your phone. That will be contents of this package. Now it's time to switch to our smartphone. The FOSSiBOT F101 Pro rugged smartphone falls into the category of entry-level devices, but it offers a range of additional features at an attractive price point. This smartphone boasts a compact design which is somehow unusual in today's market. On the front you will find a pleasant 5.45-inch IPS display with a HD Plus resolution 1440 by 720 pixels, shielded from the damage and scratches by robust Dragon Trail glass. The screen adopts a classic design without notches and display holes, featuring slim bezels. Positioned above the frame is an 8-megapixel selfie camera equipped with the facial recognition and screen unlocking capabilities. Turning the phone over reveals an intriguing rear design element resembling a distinctive chip-like feature. Within the circular module nearby there is a triple rear camera setup featuring a 24-megapixel primary camera sensor complemented by 5-megapixel and 0.3-megapixel secondary sensors accompanied by a LED flash. There are also these two holes where you can find two very loud stereo speakers which provide excellent virtual surround sound. Below this setup is the tastefully placed FOSSiBOT logo. Examining the phone's physical attributes, the right side sports an elegant black steel frame housing two buttons. The first button is used for adjust volume, while the third button serves as a power button. On the left side, concealed under the rubber cover, you will discover the SIM microSD tray, offering support for either 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM along with a TF card. Just below this there is a programmable button allowing customization of various functions with the phone or installed applications, activated with either a single click or long press. Finally, the bottom of the phone features the USB-C charging port protected by a rubber cover to ensure the phone's IP68 waterproof rating. The phone exterior is completely rubberized, providing a secure grip and protection against accidental drops and external damage. Its compact size makes it easy operable with one hand, a rarity among rugged smartphones in today's market. The FOSSiBOT F101 Pro boasts a 5.45-inch HD Plus display with an immersive 80:9 aspect ratio with a resolution of 1440 by 720 pixels. The screen delivers crisp and detailed visuals, making text, images and videos look sharp and vibrant. The inclusion of 60.7 million colors ensures that every hue is rich and accurate, making it for impressive color reproduction. The display is not just visually appealing, it's also highly practical. Thanks to its fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating, you won't have to worry about smudges and fingerprints marring your screen. This feature ensures that your view remains clear and comfortable even for extended use. One standout feature of this display is the exceptional brightness. It shines brightly, making it easy to see content even in well-lit outdoor environments. This quality is particularly valuable in those sunny days when you want to use your phone outdoors without any visibility issues. Moreover, the phone offers wide viewing angles, allowing you to share your screen with friends or family without compromising on image quality. Whatever you are enjoying a movie together or showing off photos, everything gets a great view. Now let's take a look at the extra noticeable screen on the back. Like the main one, the additional screen is touch sensitive, has a round design and a diameter of 1.32 inches with a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels. F101 Pro inserted 60 kinds of watch design for the cover on the rear display, so you can have fun changing different styles of the phone back style. You activate it with a double tap or you can sync in the main screen. Besides the 16 kinds of watch display, F101 Pro allows you to design your own watch display, show off your creativity and taste. It has a clock time date function, play pause, switch music, notifications, a quick photography option. You can also check battery level, accept and cancel calls. There is also a pedometer, timer, recorder and even a compass. The FOSSiBOT F101 Pro is equipped with a versatile rear camera setup featuring a 24 megapixel primary camera from Samsung, a 5 megapixel macro sensor and a 0.3 megapixel sensor dedicated to creating stunning bokeh effects. This combination allows you to capture intricate details whenever you are taking close-up shots or scenic views. The camera delivers natural-looking images with well-balanced colors, and with its AI functionality enhances the photos effortlessly. To put the camera's performance to the test, we took a stroll around the neighborhood to explore its capabilities. In continuation, you can take a look at our sample photos and videos capturing using the FOSSiBOT F101 Pro. Now let's see. For these samples, it's evident that the FOSSiBOT F101 Pro camera is well suited for capturing and sharing cherished memories on social media. The F101 Pro is powered by a power-efficient MediaTek Helio P60 processor. It's one of the premium chipsets known for its impressive specs and has consistently outperformed many competitors. With 8GB of RAM and the ability to virtually expand up to 7GB through flash memory, so this device offers a total of 15GB of RAM, delivering a smooth multitasking experience. While it may not handle the most demanding games, it handles newer games without issues. However, it's important to note that the gaming isn't the primary focus of this device. The FOSSiBOT F101 Pro runs on the latest stock Android 13 OS, featuring essential Google services, NFC, and the Google Pay supports. The overall performance of this phone is more than satisfactory for affordable smartphone design for everyday use, boasting specifications and features that set it apart from competition, making it an intriguing device to use. One of the standout features is this massive 10,600 mAh battery, offering up to 45 days of standby time, 95 hours of call time, 12 hours of gaming, and 15 hours of outdoor navigation with the brightness screen settings and a useful rear screen. This makes it an excellent companion for outdoor adventures and extended road trips. The phone supports 80 watts fast charging, which completely fills the battery in approximately 3 hours. Notably, the F101 Pro holds the IP68, IP69K rating and is certified by MIL STD 810G for military-grade duration. Its exceptional resistance to water, dust and drops makes it a dependable choice for challenging environments. In conclusion, the F101 Pro stands out in the market with its unique features, its exceptional device, especially considering its affordable price, making one of the best buy-budget smartphones with a dual display available. If you are considering purchase the FOSSiBOT F101 Pro, check out the official sales links below this video to take advantage for the reduced price and get your hands on this fantastic compact smartphone. That will be all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye.